What if I told you that you could start making money in your cleaning business almost immediately? Not 6 to 12 months from now, not after everything is perfect. I'm talking about real cash flow right from the beginning. Because one of the biggest lies people believe when starting a business is that you have to struggle first and then eventually make money later. And in some industries, that may be true, but in the cleaning industry, it's not. This is one of the few businesses where you can go from zero to your first paying client in a very short amount of time, even as quick as a few days, which is great if you're currently in a job that isn't paying you what you deserve, or that doesn't appreciate you, or that isn't bringing you the freedom you're after, and you're looking to make a change. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Then, like my coaching student Sarah here, you can get to 10K months and beyond in as little as a couple of months, and you can even land your first client just days from now. To learn how, let's get to work. The first thing you need to understand is this. You don't get paid when your business is ready. You get paid when you start selling. And most people get this completely backwards. Here's how. They spend weeks or sometimes months trying to build a website, designing a logo, and overanalyzing every little decision, all before they ever talk to a single potential client. So many cleaning businesses literally die in this stage because people love to procrastinate by saying things like, I'm just working on my logo, or I'm just dialing in my website, and then I'll be ready. But that's a mistake because none of those things actually make you money. And trust me, I've been an entrepreneur for over 25 years and made multiple 7 figures from my cleaning businesses alone. And the vast majority of those dollars did not come to me because of my branding or a website. They came from me selling my services. And this has proved true in every single one of my businesses. So instead of waiting until everything is perfect, start selling now. And start with people you already know. Friends, family, neighbors. Let them know you're offering cleaning services. You can even say something as simple as this. Hey, I'm starting a cleaning business and I'm taking on a few clients this week to get started. Do you know anyone who might need help? And once you get that first job, everything changes. Your confidence grows, you learn, you get better as an entrepreneur, and most importantly, you get paid. Next, let's talk about pricing, because this is where a lot of people slow themselves down. They think, I'm new, so I need to be cheap. But that too is a mistake, and that's called pricing based on fear. And pricing based on fear is how you end up working all day and still not making money. But we're not starting a cleaning business to break even. We're starting a cleaning business so you can make more money than you ever have before. And so you can get the freedom you're after, both personally and financially. And your pricing is how we will accomplish that. And remember, clients don't know your costs. They don't know your experience level. They only know what you charge and how you present yourself. So if you show up sounding unsure and you price low, they will treat you like a cheap option. But if you show up like a professional and price accordingly, they will treat you like one. Here's the key in this industry. You're not competing to be the cheapest. You're positioning yourself to be the best, the easiest to work with, and the most reliable. That's what people actually pay a lot of money for. Trust me. Now let's build on that, because this is one of the most important shifts you can make early on. You are not selling cleaning. You are selling a solution. People don't hire cleaning businesses just because they feel like it. They hire cleaning businesses because they don't want to clean, don't know how to clean, or most often because they don't have time to clean. And when you position your services as a solution to one of those problems, your value instantly goes up, like way up. And when your value goes up, your prices follow. That's how you make more money faster. Now let's talk about actually getting clients quickly, because this is where people overcomplicate things. You do not need paid ads. You do not need social media. And you don't even need a website in most cases. You just need visibility. And the fastest way to get that is through people. So talk to people in your current network. Post in local Facebook groups. Introduce yourself to property and office managers, real estate agents, Airbnb hosts. These are people who constantly need cleaning services. And here's something most people don't realize. There are tons of people who need cleaning, but who haven't actively searched for a provider yet, which is one of the many reasons why I don't recommend paid ads in this industry. So when you simply show up and present your cleaning business in a clear way, you're offering a solution to a problem they already have, but haven't solved yet. And that's why this works so fast. Okay, Let's make this real with numbers. Let's say you land just 5 jobs in your first week at $200 each. That's $1,000 in your first week. And yes, that's very possible if you simply do what I said earlier in this video. Then let's say you convert just 3 of those into bi-weekly clients. That's $600 every 2 weeks, or $1,200 a month from just 3 people. Now stack that over a few weeks. Add more clients by repeating what you did to get the first ones. Plus, you'll get referrals from the ones you've already landed. And that's how you go from just starting to building real income with a real business very quickly. And that recurring revenue is what the most profitable cleaning businesses are based on. So from day one, your goal should be to turn every good client into a repeat client. Then their value to your business just grows over time. And I have had single residential clients, meaning one house or family worth over $250,000 to my cleaning business, and single commercial clients worth over $500,000 to my cleaning business. So let's say you start with residential. How do you turn those one-time clients into recurring clients? You simply say something like this: most of my clients stay on a bi-weekly schedule because it keeps their home looking great on an ongoing basis, and it ensures we'll always have time for you. Can I set that up? Now you're not just selling cleaning jobs. You're building a business based on recurring revenue, and that's a completely different game. From there, how do you actually get paid? Well, if your goal is to make money fast, you need to collect money fast. So set the expectation early that payment is due upon job completion. And in residential cleaning, this is very normal. In commercial, I invoice my clients monthly, but in residential, by the job is totally fine. This eliminates delays, avoids the need for follow-ups, and keeps your cash flow strong from day one. And find some way to send those invoices right from your phone. Then you can accept cash, card, or if the client prefers, even check. But one exception here: if you have cleaners working for you, we don't want them collecting payments for you. So in that case, you'd need the clients to pay you electronically. But whatever the method, just keep it easy and simple for your clients. The easier you make it, the faster you'll get paid. And simple businesses scale faster. And the last piece we'll touch on real quick is credibility. People just want to know they can trust you. And the fastest way to build that is through proof. That could be a testimonial or some references. Even one strong review can make a huge difference. So if you need to, do 1 or 2 cleanings at a discounted rate, or even free for someone you know in exchange for a real testimonial. That's not losing money, that's building an asset. And that proof will help you land your next clients even faster. But do not get stuck offering discounts long term. I only recommend this on your first couple of jobs, and only if it's needed to get a review or 2. So as you can see, making money fast in this business is not about luck. It's about doing a few things right. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis with things like your logo and your website, and start selling before you feel ready. Price based on value, not fear. Position yourself as a solution, not a cleaner. Turn one-time jobs into recurring revenue, and keep your cash flow simple and immediate. Do those things and you won't just make money fast. You'll build a real and lasting business. So if you're sitting there thinking, I just want a business that makes money quickly, well, this is one of the fastest, simplest paths available. A real service, a real need, and very real income. If you want my personal help reaching your goals even faster, then click the link below to learn how to work with me directly. Or if you're not quite there yet, then watch this video next so we can keep building what you want together. And remember, more profit equals more freedom.